Whatever's on your mind.
Sure. I'm Adrian Jones with Alpine Air. We do a lot of different work around town. We see a lot of bad work, and we want to try to stand out from the crowd because there's so many folks that are just not understanding that a whole house is a whole system. A lot of times we go and we see a job that the air conditioning works perfectly, but the duct installation was done poorly or just marginally at best. Builders trying to save a buck tell the AC guy to just, well, if it should have 14-inch duct and your calculation comes up at 13-inch, put in 12. Yeah, it's all those little nickels and dimes that end up costing the homeowner thousands of dollars over the life of the system. We want to get involved with this because we don't want to be part of the herd. We want to be ahead of the curve, stand out a little bit better, work with good quality people, because there's so many that give construction trades, air conditioning in particular, a real bad name. That's what we're looking for, is not to just be another Cheap Charlie or another Joe. We want to be the best we can and deliver a great product to the customer, the end user, because we put an air conditioner in once and they pay for it for 15 years.
How will you use Energy Smart Contractor certification to make your company more competitive in the environment?
Well, hopefully we will partner with more like-minded people to deal with concerned customers who can understand the value of, yes, it costs more now, but it'll cost you less in the long run. It'll help save electricity usage, reduce their, as everybody's concerned with their carbon footprint and all of this good stuff. It'll help make a home more efficient.
How would it make your job easier if the window contractor and the insulation contractor and all the other non-HVAC contractors, especially in a retrofit, would it make your job simpler? And if so, how, if all the contractors in the mix were Energy Smart certified?
Well, it would give them a good baseline to start from, that we're all working in the same direction. We're not just out for our own little self-interest and our own little niche. Like, well, I don't care if the windows don't fit, but you have to also respect the other trades, because one, you don't want to damage their stuff that they've already spent good quality time installing. But if everybody already have the same mindset, then again, we can deliver a good quality product to the end user.
How did you come to the training? What caused you to come to Energy Smart Contractor training?
Well, as part of the
did you get something in the mail, or
part
you?
Of the Energy Smart or Shop Smart through JEA, we were contacted, and then the leading home inspector in town sent us a cute letter too. But as soon as we got the email, I discussed it with my boss and I said, this is something we probably want to get onto, because hopefully it would elevate us above the rest of the crowd. But it also, we've been dealing with these same problems for years. We go in, we see that it's not our problem, but at least now we have a better viewpoint that we can point the customer, the end user. I may not have the answer, but I know people who do.
Anything else you'd like to share?
Had a lovely time.
Thank you, Adrian.
Thanks, Molly.